topic 2, where we're starting to look at algebra. Class 1 looks at percentages and ratios. Now, a percentage is just a fraction whose denominator is 100. So if we're talking about, say, 5 out of 100 people are left-handed, then what we really mean is 5 out of 100 are left-handed, which we could write as 5%, because cent is just the Latin root for 100. 12 out of 25 resistors are defective. Okay, that's not quite so easy. 12 out of 25, we need the bottom line to be 100. So let's look at what we need to multiply the bottom line to be out of 100. It would be 4. So if we multiply the bottom line by 4, multiply the top line by 4, then we get 12 times 4 is 48. 25 times 4, that's fine. So that's 48% of them are defective. We could do this on the calculator, so we'd probably type 12 divide 25, then shift, and then the right bracket. Now, it's a good idea to remember some of the common percentages. It's a good idea to remember that 25% is a quarter, or 33 1/3% is a third. 50% is a half. 75%, that's another good one to remember, that is 3/4. So if you just remember them, it means you don't have to work them out each time. To convert a percentage back to a fraction, remember previously we looked at how to do that. So 65% is 65 out of 100, and then we would simplify that. We'd say that's 13 times 5 out of 20 times 5. So we could cancel the 5s, and we've got 13 over 20. 85%, we know that means 85 out of 100, which we could write as 17 times 5 over 20 times 5. Cancel the 5, so that's 17 out of 20. Another way to do this, to convert a decimal to a percentage, what we can do is move the decimal point 2 to the right. So say we've got 0.65. So we move the decimal point 2 to the right, so 1, 2. Now it becomes 65, and we just write a percentage symbol. Okay, to do 65 over 100 on your calculator, you could also do shift, then the SD button as well, and that would give you the percentage. Okay, what we'd get then, if we used, say, the calculator, we would then get 13 out of 20, which is what we got up there.